Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study ACCA business and technology effectively. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including multiple choice questions and constructed response tasks. Next, dive deep into the syllabus, ensuring you cover all learning outcomes. Leverage ACCA-approved content, like study texts and practice kits, for comprehensive preparation. This foundational approach sets you up for success from the start. To maximize your learning, consistent practice is key. Work through past exam questions under timed conditions to build speed and accuracy. Develop a realistic study timetable, allocating specific hours each week to different topics. Remember, the goal is to grasp the underlying business and technology concepts, not merely to recall facts. Deep understanding allows you to apply knowledge to diverse scenarios. Concentrate on the core principles of the business environment, including economic, legal, and ethical factors. Also, dedicate time to understanding how technology shapes modern organizations and operations. Don't hesitate to connect with other students through online forums or study groups. Sharing insights and discussing challenging topics can significantly enhance your comprehension and provide new perspectives. As the exam approaches, simulate the actual test environment. Practice full mock exams to manage your time effectively and reduce exam day anxiety. After completing practice papers, meticulously review your answers, identifying areas for improvement. This critical self-assessment helps solidify your understanding. And hey, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.